Again, one of thyme's most powerful herbs, thyme. This is one of the most powerful herbs that my family relies on to help us combat respiratory infections. We're talking about organisms, things that are antimicrobial in nature, and it also helps break up mucus and makes coughing more productive. It can aid in relaxing airways. That's probably all I will say in this video about that one. My family uses this one a lot for a lot of things, but I absolutely love thyme.